Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. I think this will be the final video of 2023, and as I remember as a kid, there was a TV show called Hollywood Palace, and I think towards the end of the year or the first of the year, they would always have a program showing all their flub ups and their mistakes and things, and it was hilarious. And as I make these videos, I also kind of capture some crazy, stupid things or failures that I do, and I kind of put them all together in one little video clip. I hope you have fun. Have a happy new year, and see you next year. I'm going to make it with everyone's favorite stinky cheese, the favorite squeaky cheese, I mean. Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to, it's already no. Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to make a fancy breakfast. Take our poached egg. That didn't work. Oh, excuse me. Whew. You can see that good. Nice golden dark brown. Woo! What was that? Beautiful. What a mess. Something didn't work right for sure. Cook for, I want these pretty well done. So I'm going to do them for about 35 minutes. Maybe.